Hi, this is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester in New Hampshire. Here today to show you our 2017 3500 170 cargo van. So as I said, this is a 3500 Pebble Gray. What I want to show you though real quick is just the gross vehicle weight. And again, this is diesel. So we do have the backup camera. What's nice about this is the 270. So we can open these doors fully, magnetic to hold it. So this has the cargo protection package. As you can see, it has the sidewall panel in hardboard and has the sliding door. It's the two-stage opening on the side. And it also has your tie downs along with your secure rails. So this has the two-sided stage. So it will lock here and then you can go all the way. It is the high roof, 170, plenty of length. As you can see, it does have the cargo partition, but what's nice is you do have the windows here. So you can see out what's in back of you and see what your supplies are. We do have lighting throughout. One of the unique things about this 170 3500 is it has the bench seat. So that way you can have 3 people in the front with you. So with the 2017, this still has a key. Start. So I'll give you a little tour of the cabin area. If you look up above, we have the overhead storage. Storage here as well. As we work our way down here, we have plenty of storage. We have some cup holders on the sides. We have a place to put your cell phone. This does have the cruise control, which is controlled right here for your convenience. We do have the exterior side mirrors that are heated. We work down here. This does have the radio. You can do your media. It also has a Bluetooth capability. We work our way down. Very simple heat. Gives you the temperature here. Turn your knobs. This is a little clip here for your paperwork. Your unlock and lock doors. Another storage space down here. Cup holders. And you have a 12-volt outlet or an ashtray. Your shifters here, which makes it very convenient. This does have the rear view camera, which is nice. As you can see the cars behind me. And this will guide you in for your entire surrounding. Thank you for taking the time to look at the 2017 3500 170 cargo van. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me at 603-702-2373. Again, this is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester in New Hampshire. Thanks and make it a great day.